Hey guys, today's gonna be a special one. Okay, think about here and
Hey!
boom!
Let's compare our
Look
color
at that
codes.
beautiful dog.
Yo! Hey!
We're gonna cook her later.
Pink! Pink! Let's compare the color codes. Just to make sure he was not lying.
Look at that dog. We're gonna cook
Okay.
her.
And let's compare
Eat
our
her up.
color codes. Let's compare our color codes. I'm right here. I'm right here
So you know.
I'm at the gazebo.
So what we are gonna do? I know we.
Can I make sure your color code is not modded?
Wait, never mind. We're going to.
Yep, his color code is not modded.
We're going to first video. Or no, today actually I haven't even introduced her. This is Abby. She's about 5 years old. No, 5 months old. She is a cutie. Don't worry, I'm not actually gonna eat her. And she loves biting everybody's feet and pulling your hair out and turning your whole body to mush. And she loves pooping in her cage. Isn't that great? So here she is, Sleeping Beauty.
Who are you
And
talking
just,
to?
I'm talking to the camera. And we're going to wake her up, like in the movie, you know? Watch this. Whoa. She woke up, I swear she woke up. I'm sexy, and I know.